Hanacoin just released a new wallet for Windows, Linux, and OS X that addresses a security patch, and we'll go through the upgrade step by step right after this. What's up, Savages? Let's dig right into upgrading our Hanacoin QT wallet to version 16.3. The first thing we'll want to do is back up our existing wallet.dat file. That's probably in the backups folder. So navigate to where your current wallet is stored, your executable. Now go ahead and launch the wallet. You can see the old version here, 15.1. Your wallet should open, and if you have any coins in there, they should show up here. Click File, Backup, choose a backup location. For this purpose, we'll just go ahead and back it up to the folder that it already exists in. I already have a couple of backups here. I'll just create a new one for this purpose. Once that's done, go ahead and close your wallet. We'll copy the backups folder to the desktop just as a backup of a backup. Now we need to go and grab the latest wallet. Go ahead and start a web browser. Do a search for Hanacoin website, make sure that it's the right one. Go ahead and go to that. Then you're going to click Menu, then Wallet. And in this case, because I'm on Windows, I'm going to choose Windows. It's going to download the latest wallet. Right click on the download. It's usually going to be in your download folder. Choose Extract. And we're going to extract it right over the top of the existing file structure. And we are going to replace the files with the new files. You're going to want to overwrite everything. Replace the files in the destination. Now you're going to want to restart the Hanacoin wallet. And now you should see, whenever you launch it, you should see the latest version, 16.3. Whenever you see this message, you can just click More Info and Run Anyway. Close everything down and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.